In this video, I am going to compare the battery electric vehicle with the internal combustion engine vehicle. Here I mentioned the term BEV. What is BEV? Battery electric vehicle. And then here ICEV available. What is ICEV? Internal combustion engine vehicle. So first thing you should know about the power source. What is the power source for battery electric vehicle? The name itself, it indicates the power source. Here battery electric vehicle. What is battery electric vehicle? So electric vehicle which is operated by using the battery. So here the power source will be the battery. So in the battery the chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy. By using that electrical energy, the vehicle will move forwards. So here the battery electric vehicle receives the power from the battery. So here ICEV. So IC means internal combustion. By using the combustion process, the vehicle will move forward direction. So here IC means internal combustion. So combustion process which takes place internally into the engine. So here ICEV receives the power from engine. So in the engine the heat energy will be converted into mechanical energy. So next thing is noise. So there will be a noise and vibration in the internal combustion engine vehicle. Normally engine emits the noise as well as the lot of mechanical linkages are available. So due to that linkages, the vibration will produce in the internal combustion engine vehicle. So in case of battery electric vehicle, we are having no mechanical parts. That means we are having very less parts as compared to the internal combustion engine vehicle. So the vibration will not be created, as well as the engine is replaced by the battery. So there is no chance to create the noise. So battery electric vehicle will not produce the noise as well as vibration. And then in the power source of battery electric vehicle, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So by using the chemical reaction, the electrical energy will be created inside the battery. So this is the case in the battery electric vehicle. And other hand, in engine, the chemical energy of the fuel is converted into mechanical energy. So this mechanical energy will receive in the crankshaft. Okay, and then range of the vehicle is less in case of battery electric vehicle, because you are having the battery. So battery will produce current or electrical energy for a particular time only. So you are having the range problem. After that you need to charge the battery, and then in internal combustion engine vehicle you are having the engine. If you pour the fuel, what will happen? The engine will produce mechanical energy continuously. So in case of internal combustion engine vehicle, there is no range problem, because a lot of fuel stations are available. You can fill the fuel for a particular area. So next thing is less parts. That means no need of more parts in the battery electric vehicle, because it has circuits. For each circuit you need to give the power supply, that means electrical energy. In case of internal combustion engine vehicle, you need to place a engine. After that you need to place a clutch. After that for a gear change you need to place the gearbox, as well as propeller shaft also available, and then differential also available. So lot of mechanical parts are available in the internal combustion engine vehicle. So all other parts are replaced by the battery in case of battery electric vehicle. Here pickup. So torque will be produced more in case of battery electric vehicle as compared to the internal combustion engine vehicle. In internal combustion engine vehicle, less pickup as compared to the battery electric vehicle. Sudden pickup will be created in case of battery electric vehicle, and then more electrical power can be utilized to move the vehicle in battery electric vehicle. But in case of internal combustion engine vehicle, the engine converts the fuel energy into mechanical energy, but there are lot of mechanical parts are available, so your power will be reduced due to that mechanical linkages, so you can use only 50% of energy created in the internal combustion engine vehicle. So here weight of the vehicle is distributed evenly in battery electrical vehicle, because the battery will occupy the area, floor area in the battery electric vehicle, so it will be manufactured evenly. Here internal combustion engine, so engine is here one setup, that setup will be placed in a particular area in the internal combustion engine vehicle. So your engine weight will be focused in a particular area, so your engine weight will not be distributed evenly in case of internal combustion engine vehicle. So next thing is charging time. So your battery needed to charge in a particular time, so this will takes more time because of the charging period. So but supercharging, that means fast charging available in the battery electric vehicle, but as compared to the internal combustion engine vehicle, charging time is more in the BEV. Here refueling time will be very less in case of internal combustion engine vehicle. If you need to refuel the vehicle, means you are going to refuel the fuel in petrol bunk, you are refueling, that time will be very less as compared to the charging time of battery. So next thing is charging station. Less charging station is a main problem in a current situation, so you should accept here. But in case of internal combustion engine vehicle, the fuel stations are available in anywhere, so you are able to refuel the fuel in any time. So battery electric vehicle will not produce the pollution, that means it will not emit the harmful gases, because we are having no tailpipe. But in case of internal combustion engine vehicle, engine produces the harmful gases through the exhaust pipe. It will emit the carbon dioxide as well as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide to the atmosphere. So these all are the main difference between internal combustion engine vehicle and electric vehicle. We will see in the next chapter. Bye.